Hello and welcome to the UFO Enigma. Today we're going to talk about the UFO that supposedly landed or crashed in Vegas on May 1st of 2023. Not really sure why it took an entire month or more to report this and let everybody know in the public, but well, we have the story here now. And it's a bit confusing, but at the same time it's almost believable. Is it believable? Is it real? Is it a hoax? Nobody will know. I don't even know. But all you can do is review the footage and see the story for yourself. As you can see here, we have the UFO caught by a police body cam coming down from the sky, and all you can see is the lights. There's also a video here showing light flashing and a loud crash from a Ring doorbell camera. And that Ring doorbell camera just shows the light flash and a crashing sound. I can't seem to find a date or a time. A lot of people are tagging it to be a part of this UFO experience. And this UFO phenomenon has stormed the news and social media, Twitter, YouTube, everything by surprise. The man that made the phone call to the police and witnessed the alien and the UFO, he made a YouTube channel with his very first video explaining what he was doing and what happened. He's claiming that it's not false and that it's real, and I would like to believe him, but you be the judge. Because who knows if this is all one really big elaborate hoax, but the police are in on it. Maybe they hired some actors, maybe there are some locals that are acting it out, but maybe there's more people that will come forward, but they can be actors as well. We don't know. Could this be very real, or could this be another push from the government and the agenda that they're pushing on UAPs and UFOs? But we won't know. But we can only be the judge and look at this footage ourselves and try to see, is this something that could be possibly real? Now, my question is, if this UFO crashed and you heard this big loud boom, wouldn't there be some debris? I don't see any. And the evidence this boy is showing, as you see here, he shows a picture of basically a circle in gravel. And it's a perfect circle, but I mean, anyone can really do that themselves. But there's no wreckage, there's nothing there. And of course, when it all ends and the police arrive, kind of like a movie, they're gone. Everything's gone. This man that made his YouTube channel, he explains his whole entire story of what happened. He saw the flash, he saw it come down, and then he didn't know what happened after that. He froze, he says. But he says he was working on a truck at 12 a.m. But if you look at the video closely, and I put the video in slow motion that you can see, showing he really did have dirty pants. You could see the back of his legs filled with gravel. And so I don't think he's lying there. If he went as far as making up something to do this, then why would he make up saying that he was working on a truck in his backyard? Now the backyard is basically a gravel pit, and as you can see with an aerial view, the whole entire area is just one giant, look like gravel parking lot. So he may not be lying on that part. But this is really fascinating story. We have the police body cams showing something coming out of the sky. We have witnesses saying it came out of the sky. We have sounds of booms coming from a camera, and then we have an eyewitness story from a family that says that they saw it, and they saw two big aliens, 8 feet to 10 feet tall, with big eyes, shiny eyes, and big mouths, and big weird feet, he also says. So this is really fascinating and an intriguing story. This is probably one of the biggest UFO stories in a long time. It's almost too surreal. Is it real or is it a hoax? We will never know. But it seems like all of this is becoming all too common lately. Are we becoming more comfortable talking about this? Or is this really becoming a common thing where we are going to see more of these incidents? I'm open to seeing more. I think we've been wanting to know for many, many years what the truth is and what's out there. Again, this is a very intriguing story, and it's something that we all want to believe, or there's a lot of people out there that don't want to believe. But I want to believe. Since I was a little boy, I want to believe that there is something else that's out there that we don't know about. It's fascinating, it's intriguing, it's something we all want to see if it's true or not. I slowed down the video of them in the backyard that he posted in his YouTube video. I enhanced it, and I slowed it down, and I zoomed in. Can you pick something out of this video? If there's something you can pick out, please put it down below in the comments. Let me know what you see, because I would like to know, and let's discuss this even further.
I'm here to tell you what happened to me on May 1st, 2023. This is not a conspiracy theory. I'm not making this story out for clout or fame. This is midnight, and I'm fixing a truck in my backyard, and I hear something fall from the sky. The only thing I see is a big light falling from the sky, and moments after I feel a big impact and a bang, sort of like a big impact fall, and I hear thousands of footsteps around me. So when that happened, the only thing I can see in the backyard is a tall creature, probably around 8-10 feet tall, very thin. And here's the video where we were in the backyard area. You cannot see it too good, but on camera, but it's there. Here's the video.
¡Ay! ¡Permisar! Calmungarela, me canceles var eso. Cáelo, cherro, que chile. Cáelo, cherro.
Look behind the forklift. So I look. Keep in mind I'm facing the forklift, and then I see the alien creature. So when I saw it, it was a tall, skinny, lengthy creature. He was a gray, greenish color, and when I looked at it in the eyes, my body just froze. Like the same way the same experience as having sleep paralysis. Keep in mind, I'm staring at him and I look at his whole body, and he has a weird looking feet and a big face and eyes, and you can see a big mouth. And I could hear his loud, deep breathing, and I could see his stomach moving. He would just stare at me. Seconds later, I could start moving again. And I start running towards the house. That's when I call 911, and here's the 911 call.
There's like an 8-foot person beside it, and another one's inside, and it has big eyes and it's looking at us, and it's still there.
Okay, where is this on your property?
In my backyard. I swear to God, this is not a joke. This is actually weird.
So
We're terrified of it.
So there's 2 people or 2 subjects that are in your backyard?
Correct, and they're very large. They're like 8 foot, 9 feet, 10 foot. I don't know. They look like aliens to us. Big eyes. They have big eyes, like I can't explain it, and big mouth. They're shiny eyes, and they're not human. They're 100% they're not human.
Okay.
I have butterflies, bro. Everyone saw a shooting star, then these people say there's aliens in their backyard.
What'd you see?
It was like a big creature.
A big creature?
Yeah, like around 10 feet tall.
I'm not going to BS you guys. One of my partners said they saw something fall out of the sky too, so that's why I'm kind of curious. Did you see anything land in your backyard, or?
They see like a big, that's what they say. They see like a big something with light.
What I saw right now, I do believe in it.
Hey, this might sound like a really dumb question, but did you guys see anything fall out of the sky? I would normally discount it as nothing. However, seeing as one of my partners said they saw it too, only reason I'm actually investigating it further.
If those 9-foot beings come back, don't call us, all right? Deal with it yourself. I ain't dealing with that.
This is a very big mystery, and it's something that we all want to solve, and we all want to know if it's true. We all hope it's true, but can it all be an elaborate hoax? It would be a pretty big elaborate one, and it would be a horrible one to play on the locals. So please comment down below. Tell me what you think. And we will keep an eye on this story, and I will update you of any further news that we may have and any further UFO sightings.